My name is Aisha Watkins. I'm the founder of Women of Project Management, and I've worked in the project management industry for 20 years.
I've been in project management for almost 9 years now.
I've been in the project management industry for about 15 years.
I've been in the project management industry for over 20 years.
Like a lot of my project management friends, I feel like we all pretty much stumble into this industry.
I've been the director of operations, I've been project support, I've been a project manager, just all kinds of roles.
Black women in project management is very lonely.
In order for others behind me to get a chance, I can't mess up.
When I came across the Women of Project Management, I figured out that I could have so much more, if I would have had the community earlier. So I'm just grateful.